In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up anchor links in your Mailchimp email campaigns. Creating anchor links can be a great way to improve navigation within your emails, making it easier for recipients to jump directly to sections that interest them. So, let's dive into the process. First, let's head over to Mailchimp and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your campaigns, including both drafts and those that are already underway. Once you have a list in front of you, find the specific email you'd like to edit. If you have several campaigns running, you might need to scroll down or use the search function to find the exact one quickly. Once located, select your desired email to move on to the next step. Now, you'll want to click on the Edit Design button. You'll find this near the Content tab, which is where all your email's design elements are managed. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the email builder, where you can modify and customize your email content to your liking. As we move forward, you'll need to highlight the exact text section where you want to create the anchor point. The anchor point will serve as a destination for the link you plan to set up later, so make sure to select the section carefully, be it a title, a subheading, or any other text block. After you've highlighted your chosen text, the next move is to click on the anchor button. This tool is instrumental because it enables the creation of the anchor itself, setting the foundation for the link we're going to create. Once you click on it, a small dialog will prompt you to type in an anchor name. This name is what you'll use to identify the anchor point when establishing the link later. Make sure it's memorable and descriptive of the section it points to. With your anchor point firmly established, don't forget to click on the Save button. This ensures that all your hard work creating the anchor point isn't lost, cementing it into the email draft. Now, let's turn our attention to the text you want the recipient to click on, which will direct them to your newly created anchor point. Highlight that text and then click on the link button in the text editor. Inside the link options, choose Link to an Anchor in the same email. You should then spot a drop-down menu from which you can select the specific anchor point we've just created. Once you've selected the appropriate anchor from the list, confirm it by clicking on Select. This action ties your chosen text to the anchor point. Finally, with everything set and checked, click Save again to finalize these changes. With that, you've successfully set up an anchor link in your Mailchimp campaign email, enhancing your email's navigation and overall user experience. Remember to preview the email to ensure everything looks perfect before hitting send. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!